Times now has accessed the second angle of the attempted assassination of Trump, in which the video was taken from where the bullet likely landed. Look at these visuals. It shows another angle of the assassination attempt on the former President Donald Trump. My colleague Rishabh is joining us with the details. Rishabh, all of these videos will add to the investigation that is being conducted by the FBI. There are several angles that are being looked at. First up, let's take a look at the video. This is the moment when Donald Trump was being whisked away from the stage into his vehicle.
Take a look at what happened.
So, Rishabh, this is just moments after the attack. The crowd can be heard cheering USA as Donald Trump is taken from the stage onto his vehicle. What are the details?
So what we're learning now that Thomas Matthew Crooks has been identified. He's a 20-year-old who used to live in Pittsburgh's Beetletown, which is around 35 miles, around 70 kilometers from the spot where he opened fire at a rally where Donald Trump, the 45th president of the United States, and now the frontrunner for Republicans in the upcoming November election, was addressing a rally. Half a dozen shots were fired, killing one, injuring two, and also injuring Donald Trump. What we can confirm to our viewers that the Secret Service agents in a retaliatory fire shot down the assailant, and within like 2 minutes of this whole incident, Donald Trump was whisked away from the stage. He was taken to the hospital where he was given initial medical checkup and medical treatment. Post that, Donald Trump left Butler in Pennsylvania for New Jersey, has landed in New Jersey. Joe Biden, the president of United States, who was in Delaware, has also reached Washington. Both the leaders have spoken to each other over the call, and Joe Biden say that this violence is not acceptable in any form in USA. Remains to be seen what further details will come out, but there are conflicting reports coming in from the ground itself, while a few eyewitnesses now claiming that they told the local police, the Secret Service agent on ground, at least 5 to 7 minutes ahead of the shooting incident, that they have seen a man crawling over the roof with a rifle. But these claims have not been testified by any agency as of now. All the videos that have surfaced till now is being subjected to investigation. The police, the FBI has also sought help from the people who were on ground in the rally to share any digital evidence, if they have whatsoever it is, that can help and suggest further more details about the incident. As of now, half a dozen bullets were fired at a rally in Butler in Pennsylvania, where Donald Trump, the Republican candidate for the upcoming presidential election, was campaigning. One of the bullet whisked through Donald Trump's right side ear, piercing into the ear. The former president could be seen bloodied while he was being taken away from the stage. He was taken to the local hospital, and after initial treatment, flown to New Jersey.
And thankfully, Donald Trump ducked even before the Secret Service could respond to what was happening. Can you believe it? Half a dozen bullets being fired at the rally.